If your brother printer does not turn on and it appears to have no power, you should try checking a few things before you go ahead and throw it away or call a service technician and spend a lot of money fixing it. First of all, always check the power cables, make sure that they're all plugged in properly, try changing the power outlet in case it's a socket issue, and then what you should try and do is do a hard boot. Okay, so what you do for that is unplug the power cable for your printer and leave it unplugged for 1 full minute. Obviously you can go over that minute. And what you then need to do is hold down the power button while you plug back in the printer and switch it on at the wall. You should hopefully see the home button lighting up, and it might flash a few times. Keep holding down the power button until hopefully the screen will display for you, and don't lift your finger off until you get through to the home screen. Now it's most likely going to be a firmware issue, so you should then, while it's actually working, plug it into your computer and do a hardware update. I'm going to post a video next about updating your hardware on your printer in case you need some help with that and the various ways that you can do that. I hope this has worked for you. Please let me know if it hasn't, or if you'd like to have any other tips or help with your printer problems by leaving a comment. And thank you for watching. Please remember also to subscribe.